Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name is Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we're going to make a dinner that is something like what my great-grandma would make. So come on, let's get started. Okay, what we're having is we're having air-fried pork chops, but my grandmother would have fried them. My great-grandmother would have fried them. But we're going to have fried potatoes, butter beans, and pork chops. Okay, I have a can of butter beans here. And she would not have used store-bought canned butter beans. She would have made her own butter beans. But it's just me. And I'm not cooking a whole pot of butter beans. And my great-grandmother, here's another thing about my great-grandmother. My great-grandmother, she ate beans every day. She made beans every day. So I got some oil in the pan and I'm waiting for it to get hot. And then we'll add our potatoes and we'll season up our potatoes. And then we'll get started on the pork chops. It's almost hot enough. Okay. And yes, I have a lot of potatoes. But that's because what I don't eat tonight, I can have tomorrow for either lunch or breakfast, or lunch and breakfast, because these are a lot of potatoes. I didn't realize that 4 potatoes was going to make so many. So now we're going to salt them. And when we turn them, we'll salt them again to get the salt down into the bottom. And we'll add some pepper. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of bacon grease to my beans. And I'm going to add a little bit of bacon grease to my potatoes. Going to put a lid on these, and we're just going to let them cook. Now I have 2 boneless pork chops that I'm going to pat dry. And I'm going to season them with salt, and some pepper. Preheat my air fryer because I'm air frying these. She would have fried these in a cast iron skillet, and she would not have used boneless pork chops. Her pork chops would have been bone in, but we use what. Now I'm going to spray a little bit of oil. And as soon as the air fryer gets hot, we're going to put them in there and we're going to cook them. We're going to cook them on 400 for 6 minutes on one side, and then we'll flip them over and cook them for 6 minutes on the other side. I want to season my beans with a little bit of salt and some pepper. Okay, now it's time to turn the potatoes. Just a little bit higher to get the potatoes browner. Now at this point, my great grandmother, what she would do would be, she would add water to them and make shanty fries. I actually want fried potatoes today. I don't want shanty fries. So we're going to let the beans finish cooking, the potatoes cooking, the pork chops are in the air fryer cooking. So I'll bring you guys back when it's time to eat. So here you have it, guys. This is dinner. A bowl of butter beans, air fried pork chops, and fried potatoes. So let's give it a try. So we have a bite of our pork chop. Mmm. So good. And you can't have fried potatoes and beans without having diced up raw onion. Mmm. Brings back so many memories. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Nothing like good butter beans. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button in the down below. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list and our PayPal account in the description box below. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.